Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with this huge packet, as you could see, and its name is Quanta, and these are the mini snacking mix. So it's a mix of peanut powder, yonika, and fiery caramel, and fiery some cocoa rich whip something. And most important, they have this Angry Birds second movie free exciting gifts inside. Collect all 15 something. They have, I think, these kind of some small Angry Birds toy, and it contains 20 assorted mini bars and 100 calories per bar. So let's open it. So before opening, I'm going to show you from backside also. Okay, all these three chocolates, bars, whatever they are giving inside this, they have mentioned everything about those different chocolates, and what energy, what fat, whatever protein the individual are giving, that is mentioned over here. And what else? They have one more thing interesting, like unlock new adventure and mini game. Something which I'm not able to understand. Maybe need to download something and play that kind of game. So let's not waste much time and open it. So over here you can see this mark. You need to cut it in the same way. Now wow. Ooh. This bird, very cute, came. So these are the beautiful bar, and let's do some magic. Abracadabra. Wow, now these are properly lined up. So this is the exciting free gift. So first I'm gonna open the free one. Oh, no need for scissors, it's easy. It's a kind of ball, I believe, and there is some elastic kind of thing is given with this. I don't know. Okay, like it's elastic and it could jump like this. Cute, very nice. I like it. And you can fix this on your hand like this, definitely for your children's. So it's quite interesting thingy. So let's start with this one. This is the first one. It is Yonker Quanta peanut powder. It has caramel milk chocolate with crunchy peanut, chew caramel, and soft nougat. So let's not waste much time and open it. So this is how it looks like. Where is my knife? I stored this in freezer by mistake. I should have kept it in fridge. It's really tight, but I'm gonna take help of my teeth. See, camera. Yeah, that part is caramel, then peanut, then some softer milky things, you could say. Really nice. I opened this one. Now time for Fiori. So it's basically a creamy milk chocolate with cocoa rich white nougats. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's really soft. Yeah. So it's really soft. Really, really, really very, very soft. So this is this one. It has some, this is quite soft thing. Milk chocolate, I would say. Really soft. Like it. Now time for the middle one. So this is creamy milk chocolate with cocoa rich white nougat and soft caramel. Nice, nice. So this is the third one. It has caramel and some kind of crunchiness, I believe. This is, no, it is, it has caramel, but see, this is the caramel part, but the inside is not crunchy, inside is softer. Very soft, very soft. Liked it. Actually, I like these kind of chocolate, like 5-star. Dairy milk also good, but which has caramel and softer portion. I like that one. Loved it. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and press the bell icon, and go and purchase these. You'll get this soft ball to play with. Till then, keep on watching. Bye bye. Take care.